Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got my personal vehicle in today, 24 5.0 Mustang. We're going to be doing a hood swap. We got a hood from Extreme Online Store. It's going to be carbon fiber. It's going to be like the OEM style hood, but just carbon fiber. We got to swap the vent over. So yeah guys, this is a package it came in. Big old package, pretty nice, pretty protective. So you guys can follow them on Instagram, Facebook. This is their website right here on Extreme Online Store. They also have a YouTube channel, guys. Go make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah guys, let's get today started. So we're gonna be doing the hood swap. It should be pretty simple, hopefully. Cross my fingers. Let me see, let me open the hood. There we go. We got the nice 5.0. So all we gotta do is pop these off, both sides. The nozzle for the hose for the washer fluid, take that off, and take out these little washer nozzles right here at the end. It's kind of dark right there, it's hard to see. So it should be straightforward. Cross your fingers. Make sure you guys tap in with us at Locos.Garage or 5.0 Nico for your modifications or just support, you know, follow. We did do this rear spoiler about a month ago already. It's also from Extreme Online Store. It's pretty nice. We got the gloss black finish. So I'll drop the link for this also with the hood. And yeah guys, don't forget, subscribe, drop a comment, a like, and Happy New Year's, guys. Because today's January 1st, so Happy New Year's to you guys and girls out there. Let's get today started. Alright guys, for the grill or the vent insert, whatever you want to call it, there's going to be a 4 9mm bolts. There's 1 2 3 4. I took these two off already. So go ahead and get your gun or your tool, whatever you're using. So go ahead and loosen them like that. And you can do it by hand also. Alright guys, we got the grill or the vent out. Sorry about that. Pretty simple. Took like 15 seconds. It has 4 9mm nuts, and it has 6 clips. They're pushing pretty easy. Once you do that, it pops right out, as you can tell. So we're probably gonna clean this up a little bit because it's a little dirty, you know, from the rain and stuff. So we're gonna clean that up. That's how it looks without the vent. But for now, what I'm gonna do is inspect the new hood. So let's open up this bad boy. It's gonna be a little hard to do by myself. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to push it or slide it this way, little by little. Hopefully it's good. Alright guys, so I took it out of that big old crate. It was a pain in the butt by myself, but I got it. So now I'm gonna take out the hood. Nice and slow. There we go. Dang, it's a pain in the butt doing it by yourself. Alright, but anyways, we got it ready. We're gonna unwrap it right now. Let's see how it looks. Ah, you thought. Man, it looks black right now, but it's that carbon fiber hood. I don't know if you guys can see that now. Hell yeah, bro, I'm so excited for this. Alright guys, there it is. Carbon fiber hood. Pretty clean. Let's see. Let's put this on. Alright guys, so pretty much for the vent, you do have to drill the holes just a little bit bigger. There's 3 guide studs. There's one right here, 2, 3. So those are the guide studs that help center the vent in the middle. After you do that, you just pop it in place, Make sure it's sitting nice and flush all around. Looks pretty good. So right now I'm put the nuts on the back to hold it down for good, and then work on it a little bit more, because they gave us these little bolts, but I don't know what they go to, if it's for the hood latch or what, because they're pretty small. So I'm hoping I could use the OEM hardware, hopefully. All right guys, back to the Mustang. I got a little sidetrack. It's pretty late outside, but this is all bolted down. Right now I'm probably have one of my friends come over, or my girl help me out. I'm gonna take off the OEM hood, put the carbon fiber one on. So this one's a little bit different. It doesn't have studs like the OEM does. It comes with these little bolts. They're little Allen key bolts and washers. Those go to the bracket that holds the hood, which are these right here. So they're pretty small, so I'm a little iffy about that, because I don't know. My 2014 had the same style hood. Well, I had a cow panel hood, a different brand, and it's kind of like similar to this, but they're 13s. These are little hex bolts, so hopefully they hold on good. I'll put those on. So those go right here, basically on a new hood. What else? I'm for sure gonna need hood pins though, because those little bolts, I don't know if they're gonna do their justice, but I need something to hold the hood for sure. So hopefully they come in this week or this weekend or within a week. Basically I'm gonna drill a hole right here, probably like in the middle or the end, probably the middle though. It's a little bit easier because a little bit more flat on both sides, and that's gonna be like my main support, holding the hood and stuff. So it's getting a little late, like I said, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this done. Hopefully take pictures. I don't know, the sun's already going down. If not, I'll take pictures tomorrow, post it up on IG. All right guys, so on this part, I disconnect the washer fluid hose right here. That part goes inside of here underneath, so I disconnect that for now, got it out of the way. If you want to, you could transfer over the little mesh on the bottom, the little shield, so I'll probably do that too, or if not later on. But first, now I'm just gonna get the hood on, see how it looks, try to line it up best as possible, make sure the seams are good on the body panels and everything. So far theoretically only been like 30 minutes on this job before I stop working, kind of leave. It should probably take like an hour to an hour and a half max. So yeah, like I said, I'm 30 minutes in so far. That looks nice. We just gotta get it on the car now. All right guys, right now I'm gonna take off the hood by myself because everybody's a little busy right now. So I popped these off already on both sides. I already unbolted this bracket on here. I already took off the little crossbar for the hood latch. Right now I'm gonna take off these two tins and then carry the hood off. So right now this stick is supporting it. So far it's doing a good job. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Alright guys, I loosened this bracket. I put a towel right here and a towel on that side. This way it won't hit my windshield or it won't scratch my paint on the fenders. Let's see if I can do it by myself. I'm pretty sure I can. I did one before by myself on my Gen 1. It wasn't that hard. It's kind of big, so it's a little bit bulky, I guess you could say. Alright guys, let's see you guys take it off. Pretty simple by yourself. Nah, not really, but we got it off. Nothing messed up, no scratches, nothing. Got the old hood right there. Taking off the little vent before made it easier to carry it. It was a little bit of struggle, as you guys seen. So now I'm gonna somehow put the new hood on, or I'm gonna wait for somebody. I'm a little impatient because it's getting dark outside. I want to go take pictures, so we'll see how it goes. But dang, no hood on a new Mustangs look pretty good. So guys, I was able to get the carbon hood on there. Pain in the butt. So right now I have that stick holding it up, just for now. My girl's gonna come help me line up the bolts or hold the hood. This way I can remove it, like back and forth. And hopefully everything lines up good. Cross my fingers. Alright guys, we are finally done. So right now I'm just checking all the gaps, make sure it's good back here, make sure it's not hitting the fender. On both sides, looks pretty good. So let's see if it closes. Oh yeah, it does close. So let's check the gaps. Pretty nice and even. Pretty nice. Flows pretty good. Okay. This side is a little bit closer, but not that bad. Just a little bit closer, but it's still pretty good. Doesn't hit. This gap is good right there. Pretty nice. Let's see if the hood pops up. Yep. Pretty good. So overall guys, we're like an hour in, just about. Pretty easy install. Works good. The only thing I'm concerned about is these little bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pins for the hood pins. I'm gonna do that for sure. Right now, I just need to put the little adjustment pieces, the little rubber pieces from the OEM hood, which are these right here. Pretty easy. All you do is just twist them out. Okay guys, I had to record on my phone because my camera died. But right now we're installing these rubbers. I almost forgot about those. So we got like a little file, and we gotta trim down the inside a little bit. So you just get it, and it's trimming an angle. So you trim it because this part's pretty thick right here. So right now, let's see if that works. So I already installed one over there. I'm gonna install this one now. See how it goes. It's a little hard at first to get it started, but once you get it started, it's like butter. It goes right in. So I trimmed it down a little bit more. Now it's going in. Slowly but surely. We gotta stop when it hits number 4. So right there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure the side's the same. 4. we're good to go. So this comes in handy. It just trimmed it down. Earlier what I was talking about was these holes right here. It's all dirty and stuff. I didn't clean it, but I had to drill this one out a little bit more, a little bit bigger. This one and this guide. So I just use a drill bit. You could probably use a file for that too. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm probably gonna be doing the hood pins hopefully this weekend. I'm probably gonna install them right here on the middle part or the inner part. Some people do on the outside. I don't like that. I like it right here. Looks more simple, a little bit cleaner than the GT 500s. But that's pretty much it, guys. I do have to transfer over the washer nozzles, which are these. So these pop out pretty easy. I don't want to drop my hood. I'm gonna drop it right now. But you got to take off this part. I'm gonna do that later on because it is getting dark, like I said. So you have to remove this, and then those just popped off. It's like plug and play. The carbon hood does have the inserts for them. It's gonna be hard to see, but when you open the hood, you can see from the bottom. All right, guys, I came to the gas station to get some gas, so we got better lighting and stuff. Bro, look at that shit. Psst. That looks clean, bro. It kind of matches the black on top. That thing looks nice, bro. I recommend it. Pretty good. We just need to get some hood pins though, to be sure it doesn't open. It's got that rear spoiler too. And car's coming along, looking good. I know that look was built. But you guys can probably see the gaps better. Right here, the side is pretty clean, pretty good. It's a little big right there, but it's all right. Right here's perfect. Perfect. Looks clean. Right here is pretty good. I think maybe I have to push it back a little bit, maybe, because it's a little bit on both sides. It's pretty much the same. But right here is a little bit close. But overall, it looks pretty good. I recommend it.